amounts of evaporation because some of us have had more clouds than others. That can promote some more developing low clouds and some fog perhaps in the morning for some of us, but not all of us, as our slow moving front makes some headway towards the south and the east, and the slow movement may prolong the patchy cloud cover for many areas, but the overall extent of rain activity has been shoved off towards the south and the east. So I do not anticipate rain returning for us for the rest of the night, as our winds are already becoming more northeasterly, and that will introduce some drier air into our region. So that is something that can maybe cause some breaks in the clouds, but not everybody will be clearing out at the same rate. There will be some variability in terms of how much cloudiness is still left over or reforms tomorrow. So you can have times in the morning through afternoon of longer stretches of sunshine, particularly in some portions of the Flint Valley, perhaps central and western Big Bend, while clouds may try to redevelop during the portions of the afternoon and cause you to go back to a partly cloudy scene. So kind of a back and forth when it comes to how many clouds can be around for your Saturday, but all in all, a drier trend with our rain chances pretty much going back to zero. Even the earlier slight chance for some early morning rain across the southeast Big Bend is pretty much diminished. So partly sunny to start things off for the late morning hours, and then additional sunshine for the afternoon at whatever venue you're going to go to for your community event, or maybe a musical gathering, or maybe just to go outside and enjoy nature if you can. We're going to look at Sunday being perhaps the sunniest of the 2 weekend days, as we'll have more of that dry air and maybe a little reinforcing blow of it coming back at us that can linger into Monday. The dry air is not really connected to legitimately cold air, so I think morning lows can respond to the dryness by going into the lower 50s, versus for tonight, where it looks like we'll see mostly mid-50s influenced by scattered clouds. Highs for tomorrow will range from about 70 degrees South Georgia to the mid-70s in our North Florida regions. And the next several days will feature similar temperature ranges, except for those highs. They'll kind of climb a little bit. As mentioned, morning lows with drier air and a clearer sky could be closer to 50. Upper 40s possible for Monday morning. But those afternoon highs, it's going to be tough to bring in any kind of cool air under this pattern. So we'll start to make a run towards 80 degrees Monday through Wednesday, and likely go above that for the latter half of next week. Even some warm season pop-up showers are possible.